Hello, curious people. Today, we're diving into the astonishing world of the human body, exploring 10 facts that you probably didn't know about your own body. So, let's get started. Color-changing eyes. Did you know that some people's eyes can change color? It's not just a myth. The phenomenon, known as heterochromia, results in captivating eyes that can shift shades. The heterochromia, a condition where a person's irises differ in color. There are two main types: complete heterochromia, where each eye is a distinct color, and sectoral heterochromia, with a section of one iris being a different color. This phenomenon is often congenital but can be acquired later in life due to various factors. Notable figures like David Bowie and celebrities such as Mila Kunis and Kate Bosworth have showcased the unique beauty of heterochromatic eyes. Beyond aesthetics, the condition is a testament to the marvel of genetic diversity, adding a layer of intrigue to the complexity of human eyes. Whether in humans or animals, heterochromia stands as a fascinating expression of individuality and the extraordinary variations in eye color. Goosebumps Symphony. Ever wonder why you get goosebumps when you're cold or feeling intense emotions? It's because of something called piloerection. Picture this: tiny muscles near the base of your hair follicles decide to contract, making your hair stand on end and creating those goosebumps. It's like a primitive response that goes way back. Think of it as a survival trick from our ancestors. Back in the day, when our forebears faced threats or chilly situations, these goosebumps would kick in. Why? Well, it made them look bigger. Imagine a cat puffing up to appear more menacing, kind of the same idea. Now, let's talk emotions. Ever got that shiver during a thrilling movie or an emotional moment? Yep, that's piloerection doing its thing again. Your body reacts to those strong feelings, giving you the skin bumps. So, the next time you feel that goosebump sensation, know it's your body's way of reacting to what's going on around you or the roller coaster of feelings inside. Memory lane. Alright, let's dive a bit deeper into this memory lane trip. So, 2.5 petabytes, what does that even mean? Well, a petabyte is a massive unit of digital storage, and 2.5 petabytes is like having 2.5 million gigabytes. To put it in perspective, that's roughly equivalent to 530,000 DVDs or over 600,000 hours of high-definition video. Your brain is basically a supercomputer storing a colossal amount of information. Now, how does it manage this incredible feat? It's all thanks to the complex network of neurons and synapses in your brain. Each memory creates unique pathways between these neurons, forming a mind-boggling web of connections. The more you experience and learn, the more intricate this network becomes. But here's the thing: your brain isn't just a passive storage unit. It's dynamic and constantly adapting. Memories aren't stored in one specific location, they're distributed throughout various regions of the brain. Different types of memories, like those associated with emotions or motor skills, are processed in distinct areas. So, as you stroll down memory lane, remember that your brain is not only an epic storage powerhouse but also a dynamic and ever-evolving marvel. It's the ultimate archive of your life's adventures. Blushing mystery. So you know that moment when your face suddenly feels like it's on fire, especially when you're embarrassed or self-conscious? That's what we call blushing, and it's pretty much exclusive to us humans. Here's the deal: when your brain senses that you're in an awkward or embarrassing situation, it hits the panic button and releases a rush of adrenaline. Adrenaline is like the body's alert system, and part of its job is to make your blood vessels widen, especially in your face. Now, the interesting part is that this widening of blood vessels is what causes your face to turn red. Picture it like this: your blood vessels are like tiny highways for blood to travel through, and when they widen, more blood flows, making your face flush. It's like an involuntary signal to everyone around that you're feeling a bit awkward. And get this, it's not just about embarrassment. Blushing can also happen when you're excited, anxious, or even attracted to someone. It's like your body's way of broadcasting your emotions, whether you like it or not. What's cool is that no other animals seem to have this visual emotion alert system. So, the next time your cheeks betray your feelings, just remember, it's a unique quirk that sets us humans apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. Talk about wearing your heart on your sleeve, or should I say, on your face. Ticklish sensation. Ever notice that tickling yourself just doesn't work as well as when someone else does it? That's because your brain is a bit of a buzzkill when it comes to self-tickling. The cerebellum, the part of your brain responsible for motor control, can predict and distinguish between your own movements and external touch. When someone else tickles you, it's an unexpected sensation, catching your brain off guard and triggering those delightful giggles. Now, not everyone is ticklish, and it can vary from person to person. Some areas, like the soles of the feet and underarms, tend to be more universally ticklish due to a higher concentration of nerve endings. Scientists believe that ticklishness might have evolved as a defense mechanism, teaching us to protect vulnerable areas from potential threats. Tickling also activates brain areas associated with pleasure and reward, explaining why it often leads to laughter. Interestingly, laughter from tickling might have served as a form of social bonding in human evolution. Phantom vibration syndrome. A peculiar phenomenon where your brain tricks you into sensing phone vibrations. The constant interaction with our devices has created a heightened sensitivity, leading to these phantom sensations. This phenomenon is so prevalent that studies suggest around 90% of people experience it. It's a testament to the evolving relationship between our minds and technology, showcasing how our brains adapt to the habits of the modern world. The muscle memory magic. Muscle memory isn't confined to the physical realm, it's a mental marvel too. Repetition births neural pathways, enabling efficient task execution. This incredible adaptation is why musicians can play instruments with precision and typists can navigate keyboards effortlessly. Beyond mere efficiency, muscle memory is the silent architect behind the autopilot aspect of various activities, liberating mental resources for more complex tasks. Imagine a pianist effortlessly gliding over the keys, their fingers moving in perfect harmony with the melody. This isn't just skill, it's the result of countless hours of practice, where the brain refines its neural connections to achieve a flawless performance. Similarly, when a seasoned typist effortlessly types away, it's not just muscle memory at play, it's a symphony of neurons firing in sequence, creating a seamless dance between thought and action. In the realm of muscle memory, practice doesn't just make perfect, it forges a partnership between our minds and muscles that's nothing short of magical. Musicians don't just play, they dance with the notes, and typists don't just type, they create a symphony of keys, all thanks to the dance of neural pathways etched by repetition. It's a remarkable plasticity of our brains, adapting and evolving with every repetition to elevate our abilities to new heights. Hiccups Hijinks. Hiccups might be a nuisance, but they have some intriguing aspects. The diaphragm, a sheet of muscle beneath the lungs, contracts suddenly, causing the characteristic hiccup sound. Interestingly, hiccups are observed even in fetuses, suggesting a developmental purpose. While the exact cause remains elusive, this involuntary reflex offers a glimpse into the quirks of our body's functions. Some theories suggest that hiccups might be a way for the body to learn to coordinate the muscles involved in breathing or to clear the esophagus. Phantom limb phenomenon. The phantom limb phenomenon sheds light on the brain's extraordinary adaptability. Even after limb loss, the brain continues to receive signals from the nerves once connected to the absent body part. This can manifest as sensations, pain, or the illusion that the limb persists. Researchers delve into the intricate interplay of neural circuits, uncovering the brain's complex attempt to reorganize itself in the absence of a physical limb. But the phantom limb phenomenon isn't merely a tale of feeling a non-existent limb. Some individuals experience more than just a ghostly presence, they endure pain or itching in the phantom limb. This intriguing aspect underscores the profound connection between the brain's neural intricacies and our perception of our bodies. It's as if the brain, confronted with the absence of a limb, conjures sensory experiences that defy the physical reality, a testament to the brain's resilience and its unwavering commitment to constructing our perceived sense of self. Ears never stop growing. Prepare for a surprising revelation. Your ears, unlike many body parts that cease growth after adolescence, embark on a lifelong journey of continuous expansion. Your ears keep on growing throughout your entire life. The phenomenon of perpetual ear growth is linked to the intricate interplay of cartilage, the flexible connective tissue that forms the structure of your ears. Unlike bones, which have growth plates that ossify and halt growth after a certain age, cartilage doesn't follow this script. The cartilage in your ears, specifically the earlobe and the upper part known as the pinna, continues to generate new cells. While the pace of ear growth might not be as dramatic as during the growth spurts of adolescence, it's a persistent process. Factors such as genetics and aging dynamics contribute to individual variations in the rate of ear growth. So, the next time you glance in the mirror and contemplate whether your ears have subtly changed, you can attribute it to the ongoing saga of ear expansion. It's a silent, gradual transformation of the human body as it journeys through the years. And there you have it. 10 unbelievable facts about the human body that might just leave you in awe of the incredible machine you inhabit. If you enjoyed this journey into the wonders of our bodies, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more curious content, and as always, stay curious.